हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू ऑल अबाउट टीवीज। मैं हूं सौरभ और आज हम आए हुए हैं ईवी इंडिया कॉन्फ्लेक्स जो कि रेडिसन ब्लू होटल में हो रहा है एंड वी आर एट बूथ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रीविया एंड लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दीज गाइस आर ऑफरिंग। हाय शारंग।
हाय।
सो वेलकम टू ऑल अबाउट टीवीज। सो हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताइए कि क्या आपका प्रोडक्ट है, क्या ऑफर कर रहे हैं।
Sure. So Electriva is one of the companies which is renewable energy based CPOs, charging point operators. Apart from that, as you could see, we've got a tagline calling "Keeping India Charged."
Okay.
Now, because of India, you must be thinking we are geographically everywhere.
Yeah.
But the point for us is we are demographically everywhere.
Oh, wow,
Now,
that's
talking about
nice.
demographically, we cater two-wheelers, three-wheelers, four-wheelers,
Okay, that's
buses.
nice.
So anything that comes into electric vehicle, we could charge it.
Yeah, that's
So the
nice.
best part of us is we've been partnered with a lot of government organizations where we want to create an ecosystem, not just for us, but for everyone who's been part of EV community.
Okay,
So that's what our vision and mission is.
Okay, that's nice. And in terms of pricing and everything, yeah.
So the pricing varies based on the kilowatt hour
Okay.
that we provide for the chargings. It starts from 3.3
Okay.
till 240 kilowatts.
Yeah, you can show this.
Right, so the pricing starts from around 16,000 and
Okay.
can go to around 14 to 15 lakhs
Okay.
based on your requirement. The best part for us is we could customize based on the client's requirement.
Okay,
That could
okay.
be the design, that could be the socket. So as you know, for four-wheelers, there are two types of charging points. As CCS2 combined combination system,
Okay.
and there's GB by T. So GB by T has been an old solution
Okay.
back before 2019,
Okay,
but
okay.
still now fleet companies still have the cars that have GB by T.
Yeah.
So for requirement where we have a charger which has a dual gun, it could be both CCS2,
Okay.
it could be 1 GB by T, 1 CCS2. So
Okay.
you could
Yeah,
customize,
customize,
based on the customer's client's requirement.
Okay, and if somebody wants to reach out to you, you can just share your number and yeah.
Sure. So anyways, we have
We
a
can display their number on the screen.
Oh sure, I could do that. This is my number out there. I could.
You can spell out your number.
So my number is where is it? 92171 I'm Sharang Mittal, business head for Electriva.
Cool. Nice talking to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.